Hi, Ken Heaston here from Joplin, Missouri. Wouldn't it be great if there was a free online presentation maker for small business owners and home business owners that was fun and easy to use? Well, stay tuned. I've got just what you're looking for. You know, a big part of building up your business is to get your presentation in front of a lot of people. And there's no better way to do that than to create an online presentation. Well, I know it sounds kind of scary, but it's really not. Let me show you how it can work for you.
Well, you know they say a picture's worth 1,000 words, so let's just get started by going over to Google Images and taking a look at some examples. All right, now this is some examples that you may be familiar with. This is kind of like the infomercials that are done where interviews happen. Okay, so here's a cartoon one. Here's a couple ladies just talking in their living room. Here's a more formal one on Fox News, Encore, and such as that. So these are the type of presentations you might have seen in the past, and this is the perfect format for you to do a perfect online presentation because it's very natural and it's very easy for you, doesn't make you nervous, and it's just a really good way to get your message out. So here's how this works kind of. We do a presentation. I'm the host, you are the authority presenter, and I simply ask you questions. Now, I'll ask questions that you want me to ask. You're going to give me the questions to ask, and we'll have an interview together. And I'll ask you these questions, and you can answer as the authority speaker so that you can present your business however that may be. You know, your brick and mortar business, your home business, your network marketing business, your direct sales business, your products, your opportunity, whatever it is that you want to present can be presented in this way in a very relaxed and informal manner, and it's very engaging for those who watch your presentation. Now you may ask, how do we do that? Well, let me show you. We'll go to some more Google Images here. These are images of Google Hangouts. Okay, now Google Hangouts are a lot of fun because you can just do them from wherever you're at. You can do them from your office desk, you can do them from your storefront, you can do them from your living room, from your kitchen. You could even do one, I guess, while you're in your pajamas still in bed. Google Hangouts are very relaxed. If you look at the images of these Google Hangouts, you'll see that everybody looks pretty happy, pretty relaxed, and it's just a really good way to give your presentation. So the way that we use Google Hangouts is you and I are both on the Hangout together. I ask the questions, you answer as the authority, and you have the opportunity then to present your business in a professional manner.
So that's really easy, right? That's what a presentation ought to be: fun, easy, and effective. So the next thing to do is watch one of my webinars where I describe in detail how this is done. I'll show you in the webinar is how to create your own perfect online presentation using this format that I've shown you, and how to get it in front of 50 new people every week. Now, if you can do that, your business will explode. Your perfect online presentation is going to be the best thing that ever happened to your business. So just click the link in the description, go over and register for one of my webinars, and you will be very pleased with your own perfect online presentation.